Welcome to the Master Course Roadmap. Starting with the very first course that I developed and taught on Udemy, I decided to create a master document containing all content associated with and to be included in the course. Following Udemy's lead, I called the document my Master Course Roadmap. I have since created a Master Course Roadmap using this format for every document for every course that I have developed. The document serves as a guide, a script, and a checklist for the entire course. Once it's created, the Master Course Roadmap document continues to evolve as changes and edits are incorporated throughout the course development process. The elements of the Master Course Roadmap are listed here in a skeletal form. So this is presented just as a list of elements here, but we're also going to look at one that has been fully fleshed out and completed, and that is the one for this course. I will be sharing the Master Course document for this course with you as well. So let's talk about this particular form that we're looking at now, and that happens to be, as I mentioned, the Master Course document skeletal outline containing just the elements. So the title there, Master Course Roadmap, and then the next two items, the course title and the course subtitle, are fairly self-explanatory. The next element is the trailer, and the trailer is the promotional video that will be featured on the landing page for your course. It's usually 1 to 3 minute video that includes a hook, which is something that will catch the attention of prospective students to engage them and hopefully have you enroll in your course. Any background information regarding the topic or your experience with it. Information on how students will benefit and what they will learn. And finally, a call to action, a call for students to enroll and begin learning the information that you present in your course. The next item there are goals. And this is basically a repeat of some of the information that you included in the trailer, and that is, what are students going to learn? What strategies or techniques are they going to learn and be able to apply? And so you would fill in the blanks there. And then next is the course description. And the course description is basically the same as the course trailer script. And the reason is because they basically contain the same information. Information about the course, information about what students will learn, information about your background and experience. And so in any event, I typically use the script for the promotional trailer as the course description. I may tweak it a little for various reasons. The next item that's listed here are the course requirements. And this is, what do students have to know? What basic information or materials do they need? I read once that an instructor on a course that I signed up for, had an open mind as one of the course requirements. And so anyway, I liked that, and so I included it in mine. And then any other course requirements, for example, if there are basic skills or foundational writing skills, for example, then you would add that here. Now, the next item is what you will get. This tells students approximately how many lectures and how many minutes or hours of video content. And again, as you continue to record your course, there will be at some point a final number as to how many lectures you have and how many minutes or hours of video content the student will receive. And then again, here you reiterate what the student will learn. And next is the target audience, describing who should take your course, who would benefit from your course. Next, and the bulk of the document, is the curriculum. And here you can see that I have set the curriculum out divided it up into sections, and then with a few lectures or a couple of lectures under each of the various sections. The first section is almost always an introduction and overview, where there is a repeat. Lecture 1 is a repeat of the promo, and then finally, or also Lecture 2 is course information on the course format, expectations, etc. And we'll be looking, as I said earlier, at a completed version of this. Then again, the rest of the lectures and sections, including the last one, which is a bonus lecture or bonus information. And this is something that Udemy allows you to do. You're allowed to include additional material information and including information on other courses that you may teach or other work that you may be doing related to the subject matter or not. And so anyway, it's an opportunity to market your courses and let students become aware of what else you're doing. Finally, you should also include in this document an instructor bio. And the instructor bio should be consistent across your courses. You may want to tweak them a bit to highlight specific information or experience related to a subject matter, whatever subject matter you're teaching. So let's take a look at the next document, and this is a fully fleshed out course roadmap, the master course roadmap for this course. And as you can see right below the title of the course and subtitle at the top, I include the name of the document and then reiterate the title and the subtitle, How to Teach What You Know, and the subtitle, How to Transform Your Knowledge, Skills, and Passion into a Course with Passive Income Potential. And then what you see next is the script for my promotional video. And if you go back and look at the trailer on my landing page or in Lecture 1, you will see that this is basically the information that I included in the trailer. Then the goals, you'll see I fleshed those out. I talk about applying strategies for accomplishing different things within this course. Those are the course goals. The course description is somewhat of a reiteration of the information that was included in the trailer, including what you'll learn. And that's here. Okay, the course requirements. In this case, I said an open mind, a desire to learn, and a desire to teach. And also what you'll get, in this case, 14 lectures and 1 hour of video content. And then what you will learn, a reiteration of that. It's in a few different places. In the promotional video, the course description, and then here as well. Again, identifying your target audience is important so that students will know if this course will be of interest or a benefit to them. And then the curriculum. And I'm not going to go through each section. I did want to show you again. You'll see Lecture 1 is a repeat of the promo video. And then Lecture 2 covers course information. Here I generally present information on how the course is organized. I mentioned 5 sections, review what each section covers, and then my intent that the lecture come across not as a lecture, but more like a conversation that we may be having across the table. And finally, information with reference to posting announcements, asking questions, how to contact me, etc. And then I won't cover each of the various sections, but you can see how I have fleshed out each lecture. There's Lecture 3, Lecture 4, which continues. There's Lecture 5 under Section 3, including exercises where appropriate. And then Lecture 6, which is the lecture we're covering right now. Lecture 7, 8, 9, Lecture 10, 11, and getting toward the end, we actually have 6 sections, so this is section 5 on next steps. This is material we'll be covering, and there I have included basically information that I'm going to cover for that section as well. And here we have the conclusion, which is basically a course review and a discussion of next steps, followed by my Instructor Bio. And even though it's not listed here, I actually need to edit this document to reflect that I've also included the bonus lecture that we discussed previously. So that is basically it. I gave you the skeletal information and then showed you a fully fleshed out course roadmap. If you have any questions, feel free to post them within the course, and we'll see you in the next session.